Let's see how to find duplicates in a column with data in Microsoft Excel. I have a column right here, some students, and I would like to see if I have duplicate values. And one way to do that is to use conditional formatting and to highlight the duplicate values. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to select all the data that I have in the column, and next I'm going to go to the Home tab over here. I'm going to click on the Home tab, and with the Home tab open, I'm just going to go to the Styles section right here and identify the Conditional Formatting button. I'm going to click on the button, and over here we have Highlight Cell Rules. So with this we can set different rules that the cells will use in order to apply some styles that we set. And I'm going to select the last option from here, which is the duplicate values. I'm going to click on it, and you see already Excel has highlighted the duplicate values, but let's see what options we have right here. So we can format cells that contain either duplicate values or that contain unique values, but this video is about duplicate, so we're just going to leave it with duplicate, and we're going to select a format. I'm just going to go with green field with dark green text. I'm going to select that option, click OK, and just like that I've found my duplicate values. And if I remove any of the duplicates, you will see that the other cell will then be unique and it will no longer be highlighted. And to demonstrate this, I'm deleting the value in A12, and you see the value in A8 has been formatted back to the white background with dark text. That's it. That's how you find the duplicate values. I hope you learned something new. If you did, please hit the like button, and if you have any type of questions, please leave them in the comments below.